it is time for music. This Brit award-winning pop trio have topped the charts with a string of #1 hits. Here with their latest single, When the Rain Comes. It's a warm welcome to Sugababes.
Here for celebration, yeah, we all have some fun. But who's gonna be here when the party's done? Yeah, you can talk all that big talk. Tell me, can you back it up? Really, all I wanna feel is grown up love.
Not just the days where we stood in the warmth of the sun rays. I wanna know, will you be there in the thunder, through the storm? Will you run or will you be there when the rain comes? When it's pouring in the cold, will you go? Will you be there when the rain comes?
Good on the surface, easy to come for the ride, but I need you here in the dark and the light.
Not just the days when we were stood in the warmth of the sun rays. I wanna know, will you be there in the thunder, through the storm? Will you run or will you be there when the rain comes? When it's pouring in the cold, will you go? Will you be there when the rain comes? Don't want no temporary love, I need something permanent. Something like I know you will when you say you will, yeah. Nothing that can disappear, I need it to be real. Will you be there in the thunder, through the storm? Will you run or will you be there when the rain comes? When it's pouring in the cold, will you go?
Will you be there when the rain comes?
I will, I will, I will, I will, I will.
Will you be there when the rain comes?
Wow. Woo. Sugababes, everybody! Sounding so good!